Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a X button and leader stats for your game.
Alright, okay. So we're back in the studio, or we're back in studio. Yeah. So I will show you what we left off at last part. Don't mind my plugin again. I don't know why it keeps popping up. This is what we left at last time. And as you see, there is no X. And also, the corners are actually visible. Wait, what? Wait, what? Alright, yeah, I'm gonna stop joking around. Yeah, I edited it now. Let's make it back invisible. Like I said in the last part, where is my map? Oh. Like I said in the last part, I'm probably gonna cut out a lot of stuff. But yeah, now it's visible again. You just send me a notification. Alright, now, back on to the thing. Get off. Then, yeah, you can test out your stuff. But today, we'll be adding an X. It's like a mini part. I haven't thunk of what else we're gonna do this part. So maybe it's just gonna be like part 1.5. Just a mini thing. Yeah. So let's start doing it. Alright, so make it visible again. And then, you're gonna click on this. And then add, what should I do? I'm gonna do an image button. Where is image button? Right here. Alright, image button. And then you can head down here. This. And then you can either add an image from your already occurring image from your PC, or you can get a texture ID, which I'm gonna do that in 3, 2, 1, go. Boom! And now over here, yeah, we have the X. So yeah, let me just remove the background and boom. Now you can move it, size it down. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. Also, this is how you copy texture IDs. You just have your mouse, right click on the thing, and then, yeah, you have all these options. You can report, which, yeah, don't do it unless if it's bad. Copy texture ID, which is what I mostly use. I think that's what you should use to copy it. Copy asset ID, I don't use that. Copy link, I'm pretty sure that just brings you to, like, it. Like, yeah. But don't, like, don't click on it with this thing, or it's just gonna insert it into your game. Yeah, you wanna put it on your own thing. Right, so go ahead, close out toolbox. Then, yeah, we have this thing. Then name it. Alright, so just name that. Then enter. Oh wait, not open shop, close shop actually. And then yeah. Name it that. And yeah, if you don't want to script it all over again, or the opening admin thing, but instead make it closed, just do the keybinds. Alright, okay, so you just gotta do this plus D. Then what that's gonna do, it's gonna clone your thing. You see, now you have 2. So then, just drag this into your close shop, and then yeah, that's good. Alright, to make it easier on yourself, just go on this, then you copy those, then delete all of this, and then Control V, and then yeah, we'll do that. And then you have the script name. Alright, so open up the script. And yeah, you'll see like all of this. You'll say, Xander, do I just have to oh my gosh, my throat. You'll probably just right now be saying like, Xander, do I just have to make this say false? No, you don't actually. You gotta change up the script a little bit. Alright, okay guys, so you gotta do 2 things to make this work. First, yes, change this to, delete that, then change it to false. False. Focus. Okay, I'm not. Alright, and do not click this yet, or do not play yet. You see this part? Delete it. Make sure you're on this part so you don't have to redo this script. And that's. Then you do backspace. And then that should work, guys. By the way, I know I'm showing my hands in the tutorials now. Oh my gosh, people keep talking on Discord. So, yeah, just play, and it should work. Wait. Just try it from here. Where is my mouse? My gosh. Alright. And then boom. It works. Yes, don't forget to make this not visible. You can tell I wasn't on my PC for the last 10 minutes. Sorry guys, people are talking on Discord at 11 at night for some reason. Oh my gosh, literally, chill. So yeah, where is the shop frame? Oh my gosh, guys, I'm actually getting so irritated. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm trying to get them to stop. Alright, it should be stopped now. Yeah, let me go down. Don't forget to make it make it not visible. And then yeah, you can play test. Don't mind it not focusing, guys. Yeah, and open, and it can close. Like, how cool is that? So yeah, I'm gonna spend like 20 minutes trying to figure out what else I can do, guys. I don't know why I paused. But yeah, I'm not speeding a clip up. Alright guys, I've just figured out what else I should do. I'm gonna make leader stats. So yeah. Basically, if you don't know what a leader stat is, it's something that goes like right here on your thing. Right there. And then it'll it's basically in stat. And I'm going to be making it, next part, yeah, I'll be editing I will be doing stuff to, gain and use it, which, yeah, I'll probably make so you could buy items, yeah. So let's, start to make it. Alright, so you want to find server script service right here. Yes, right there. Not server storage, but server script service. And then you want to add a script, not a module script. And then in this script, thank you for focusing. Delete this print hello world junk. And instead of that, you should not go on that. You should click here. Alright, so instead of writing anything yet, I'm going to go over to the name thing, and then just name it, wait 1 second, just name it leader stat, and yeah, it should be spelled like this, should be spelled like that, and press enter. And then boom. Now we're moving back over to this. Alright, so you're gonna write game.out. Wait, why is it not right? Guys, this always happens. Game dot. Wait, guys, 1 second. Game.players. Guys, oh my gosh. Alright, so this is so you can see what I'm writing. Players dot. Yeah, there it is. Players. Player added. And then dot connect function, and then remove this, add this, and then do players. No, actually player, and then this should be right. I don't know why it says it's wrong. Then go here, enter, and then yeah, I'm gonna do local lead stats equals in instance dot new, and then brackets, quotation mark, folder, yes. No, not, wait, tween. How did it do that? Folder. Yeah. Then, you're gonna, after the last one, you're gonna add a comma, play, alright, do that. Leader. Yeah. Leader stats dot name equals, yes. Then after that, go down to lines, see -1. I don't know why we have this one. Yeah, okay, so then you add this, and then local, don't do local money because, or you can do that if you want. I'm gonna do local shop money. Wait, what? That's what did I just do? And then there, yeah, shop money. Just to make it look better, I'm gonna do this, and then boom, yeah. Equals instance dot new, brackets, quotation marks, int value, and then comma lead stats. Alright, then I don't know why it's blue. Enter. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna name it money, low-key. Money? Yeah. And then money. No, that's not how you spell money. Space equals quotation, not question mark, quotation marks, money. Yeah. Alright, now, that's at the end of this. Enter, enter. I don't know why it's not doing the thing. Oh my gosh. It's like all my scripts are broken. Alright, okay, I fixed up a thing. Now, just do get rid of this, remind later. Money dot value, yeah, value equals 0. Now, I'm just trying to find what's wrong with this, guys. I don't know, said it's wrong. I don't know what's wrong with it, guys. Why am I trying to create a part? Alright, otherwise, let's see if there's any bugs. So, yeah, there's no leader stat. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at making it. Sorry for the random cut. Yeah, but, I figured out what was wrong with this. Yeah, it's actually only supposed to be wrong, actually. It's only supposed to be this, not, bracket, or, yeah, whatever, quotation mark. Yeah, so what this does, yeah, that, right here, you can change the amount of money. So, like, let's say you want to change this to 100. Don't do that. Then you play, and you don't have 100. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong, but yeah. Alright, so yeah, that's all for today's video. So basically, if you don't know what we got done this video, it was this. Nope, not the opening thing, but the X button. And also, it was open the gearboard. And then you see this. Yeah, value. It's called value for no reason, guys. I don't know. I'll fix it next part. So, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss part 3 where I'll fix a lot of stuff. And